Want to make Fantasy Premier League draft? Then you're on the right video. So the very first thing you want to do is move into your application FPL. Once you're logged into your specific account, head over to Fantasy at the bottom. Scroll down and in the section of Leagues and Cup, you have to click on Configure Leagues. It will be landing you on the space. In this space, at the very top you can see Create a League. Click on it. Well, you can create two different types of league. One is creating a league and cup, and the other is create head-to-head league. You can choose whichever you want to. Let me select create a league and cup. Now first thing first, enter the league name. You can also select the scoring starts. Once selected, tap on create league at the bottom of the screen. And there you go, your draft league has been created successfully. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.